This is Meena Vijay Pense, and let's see what July 2020 has in store for our sun sign Virgos. Now, the overall general energy for this month, July 2020, is going to be slow, hard-working, and I might say pretty stressful for the Virgos. As it is, we have the Mercury retrograde going on, and Virgos being naturally overthinkers, there's going to be a tendency of stressing too much, thinking too much, overthinking, and hence getting a little bit stressed. So this month warns Virgo that since the month is as it is going to be filled with a little bit of excessive stress than usual, so you should see to it that you don't have the tendency of overthinking, particularly for this month. Now, moving on to the section of work for the sun sign Virgos, you need to really retrospect in this month, as in what is it that stops you from attaining or gaining your full potential at work. Is it a misunderstanding about yourself that you have, or a misunderstanding that you have about someone else? The month work-wise for the Virgo in July 2020 asks you to communicate very, very clearly, communicate about your doubts, any misunderstandings that you may have about your colleagues or your juniors or your seniors, and clear the air. Once the air is cleared, you will have a better perspective of the situation of work. If the situation is actually good, then you actually then need to turn into yourself and question yourself as to what is it that stops you from gaining your full potential at your place of work. So work-wise, this month is about a lot of self-introspection and finding out the internal obstacles that stop you from gaining to your full potential at your workplace. Financially, it is an excellent month. You could literally manifest whatever you want financially. If in case that you feel that you are a little bit stressed for finances and that they are not properly in place, you will be surprised to see how unexpected help in the form of a friend or a relative just comes in your life. You will have sudden people or sudden situations or sudden incidents that would be very helpful to you financially and take away all the financial worries if in case that you have for this month. But ideally this month financially is excellent for the Virgos. Now, relationship wise also, it is a very beautiful month. A beautiful month because it's a very good time to communicate with your partner and see to it that you are on the same page with him, especially on an emotional and a mental level. So this month could see a lot of understanding between you and your partner, and it will happen very naturally and beautifully in your life. It's going to be a very, very blissful and a emotionally fulfilling period for Virgos when it comes to relationship. For single people, you might just meet someone, and it is better than you don't commit yourself too early in the relationship, but enjoy the process, get to know each other, see if you belong to the same page emotionally, and then think about the future. But for singles in the month of July 2020, just take it slow, take it easy, and enjoy the romance in the air. Health-wise for Virgo, this month is going to be very nice, because if you have already invested yourself in some kind of a gym membership, or if you're already working out, or if you're working on a specific diet or a plan for taking care of your health, July 2020 is the month where you will start seeing the fruits of all that labor and hard work that you have put into your life. If in case you are sick or ill and you are on the recovery stage, you will see that the recovery also in the month of July 2020 happens and progresses very smoothly and beautifully, and you will see a lot of positive changes which make you very, very happy. So overall, the energies for the month of July 2020 for the Virgos is slow, steady, a little bit stressful, but that's particularly over the workplace. Otherwise, in all the areas, it is pretty well smooth and nice. So this is how it goes.